Yeah, good morning to all. This is Anand. So today I would like to publish a video on objectives of advertising. So the meaning of advertising, what are the major objectives of advertising? So let me share the screen. Yeah, advertising is a means of communication with the users of a product or service. Advertisements are messages paid for by those who send them and are intended to inform or influence people to receive them as defined by the Advertising Association of the UK. Advertising has two characteristics. One is an organization will send the messages or communication about their products or a brand or services to the targeted customers, a target market. That's one thing. Second one is advertising is a paid form. So whoever is sending the communication or messages, they have to pay for the advertising agencies. So these are all the two aspects of advertising. Next, what are the major objectives of advertising? Naturally, advertising will be given by the company to introduce a product. So it may be an existing product or a new product. Existing product means for the new market, or if it is starting a releasing or launching a new product, so they give you advertisement. So this is one thing. The most common reason advertising is used to introduce a new product in the market. This can be done by existing brands as well as new brands. Have a look at the latest iPhone in the market or a Samsung smartphone, and you will find a lot of advertisement for these new products. The objective of advertising here is to tell customers here is a new product we have launched. To make aware of the customers regarding the company is launching the new product. That is the major objective of any advertisement. Second one is introducing a brand. So there are many startups in the market today, and many of them are services. Services are generally marketed as a brand rather than marketing their introduced service product. Thus, Uber will market its own brand and introduce that Uber has started servicing customers in a new market. Same goes for Oracle or Accenture, companies which market their brand and their presence in the market rather than marketing an individual product. So they try to establish their brand through their advertisement. This is the second objective of the advertisement. One is introducing a product. Second one is introducing a brand. And third one is creating awareness among the customers. So as you know that there is a famous model called AIDA model. This AIDA model, awareness, interest, desire, action. The most important job of advertising is to get attention, which is nothing but awareness creation. Advertising needs to capture the attention of people and make them aware of the products or their features in the market. And fourth one is acquiring customers or brand switching. So to acquire the customers of other brands to our organization, the companies will give advertisement. One of the major objective of advertising and the first objective of many advertising campaigns is to acquire more customers. This is also known as making the customers switch brands. This can happen by passing on a strong message so that the potential customer leaves the brand which he is tied up with and comes to your brand. So this is the fourth objective of advertisement. Fifth one is differentiation and value creation. A most important aspect of advertising is to differentiate the product or the service from those of competitor. A customer can only differentiate between services based on the value the firms provides or that of competitors. So the advertisement message says that how our company is differentiating from other companies, or our service, our product is superior than other services or other products. So this is the fifth objective of a advertisement. Sixth one is brand building. When a brand regularly advertises and delivers quality products and fulfills the promises, it makes automatically the value of the brand is built. However, there are many other aspects of brand building. So this is the sixth one is brand building. Seventh one is product to product and brand recall. One of the key factors in the actual purchase of a product is the product recall and the brand recall at the time of purchase. Among us, the objectives of advertising, one objective is to correctly position the brand in the minds of the customers. So the company tries to build a brand image among the minds of the customers so that the customers can recall the brand using that particular advertisement. Eighth one is increase sales. So many times this objective is achieved by advertising. However, the campaign is improper as the audience is not targeted properly. The advertising can fail its objective. There are many seasonal products where an immediate increase in sale is observed due to advertising. The best example is ice cream brands, which advertise heavily during the summer months because they know that advertising will immediately influence the sales figures. So this is the eighth objective. And ninth one is increase profits. So ultimately, any organization, the objective is to increase the profits. So with the value being communicated, the brand being differentiated as well as sales being increased, there is no doubt that advertising can contribute a lot to increasing profits. Advertising should never be looked at as an expense or a liability. In fact, it is an investment for a firm, just like a brand is an investment. Siemens and Bosch brands, which have invested heavily in positioning themselves on the base of their German engineering. And 10th one is create desire. So the customer has to develop a desire towards a product by seeing by observing or watching a advertisement. So this is the 10th objective of a advertisement. Referring to the AIDA model, one of the key factors in advertising is to create a desire for the product so that the customer wants the product's brands, which are known to do this, are BMW, Audi, Harley Davidson, Adidas, and others. These brands are master of advertising where they can create so much desire for the product that the customer absolutely wants a product even if he doesn't need it. Hence, the most of the companies they're spending 1% or sometimes 5% of their budget for the advertisement only. So advertisement has more role nowadays after emergence of technological advancements or disruptions. So digital marketing has or digital advertising has more significance in the advertisement. So I hope this video will help you to understand the objectives of the advertising. Thank you all.